Alright, picture this. You're riding along the assembly line at a delicious burger factory. Everything's moving fast, but let's slow things down and see how a classic hamburger comes together step by step. First stop, the buns. They come in soft, golden, and perfectly sliced, rolling down the conveyor belt. Next up, the beef patties. Cooked on massive grills until they're just right. Signature sizzle. Each patty drops onto the bun like clockwork. Super precise, super speedy. Here's where it gets cool. The condiments. Machines whiz by. Ketchup, mustard, in perfect circles. Then onions, pickles, sprinkled on, every piece in its place thanks to neat tech. Now, the top bun slides on. The burger takes a quick ride through a wrapping station. A cozy blanket wrapping up your meal for the journey ahead. Every burger gets a final quality check. If something's not perfect, it gets pulled. Only the best make it. Boxed up and ready to head out to a restaurant. Maybe even to your tray. So next time you unwrap a juicy hamburger, remember, clever machines, sharp-eyed humans, a zippy assembly line. Work together to make sure your bite is just right. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Evolution Station for more content.